Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about natural lashes. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks and things that I do before, during, and after my mascara application to help get the most length and most volume and most feathering out of my mascara. Today's video is in partnership with Lancome, and today I'm using the new Lancome Lash Idole mascara. I love this mascara for the lightweight gel consistency so you can layer and get the most out of your mascara. No clumping with this curved brush as well. So this is what we're going to be using today, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything I do with this mascara to make my lashes full, long, and wispy. So if you guys are interested in my lash routine, then let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do to start my lash routine is actually use a lash thickening primer. By using a primer, it just helps to evenly coat the lashes. It helps make a great base for your mascara. It also helps add length and volume to your lashes as well. So as you can see, I've already went ahead and primed one eye with the lash primer, and I'm going to go ahead and leave one eye with primer and one eye without the primer, just so we can see the difference of how the mascara applies. So now let's get to the fun part and actually start applying our Lancome Lash Idole mascara. I'm gonna go through some of the steps that I do to add more length, fullness, volume, feathering, and really mimic the style of a false lash. One thing I noticed that I really love about this mascara is it has a gel-like formula, and what this does is it's going to allow you to layer onto your eyelashes without clumping. And for me, since I have short and thin eyelashes, I love to layer and get as much length as possible. So what I like to do when I start applying my mascara is start at the base of the lash and do a wiggling motion upwards. Now what this is going to do is help add volume and depth to the base of the lash, and then once you drag it upwards, you're going to be reducing the amount of clumping and also maximizing the length. I absolutely love the wand on this mascara as well. It has a curved shape, so it maximizes volume and length. But I also love, this is my little secret with this mascara, I love to flip the wand over and use the underneath to add more volume. For some reason, this method just really works for me. So if you have this mascara, go ahead and flip it over and you're gonna see how much volume this is gonna add to the lash. I hope you guys just saw how fast and easy that was to get this much length, volume, and feathering out of the lash. I think this looks absolutely amazing, and we only did one coat. So let's go ahead and start on the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys a few more tips to do with your lashes. All right, so to start this eye, a lot of people love to actually start from above the lash. This is going to really help make sure the lash is completely covered and coated with mascara, so you're going to get the deepest color and significantly more volume. The only problem with this is sometimes you can get a little bit of mascara on your lid. If you do that, don't go and immediately wipe it off. Wait until the mascara completely dries, and then you can either use a dry Q-tip to go ahead and just remove that excess mascara from your lid. So after coating the top of the lashes, make sure to take your wand, reapply some mascara, and then go underneath and do the same wiggling motions. So while I'm waiting for this first coat to dry down a little bit, let's talk about lash serums. So if you haven't tried one, lash serums are actually a great way to give your lashes a little bit extra nourishment so they can grow longer and thicker. I personally have seen really great results by using a lash serum at night. In the past, I've felt like my natural lashes weren't long or thick enough to wear by themselves, so when I did like a makeup look, I would always use false lashes. So by incorporating a lash serum into my routine, I really helped to just add a little bit more length and volume, and I will link some lash serums in the description box down below so you guys can check that out. All right, so I think our first coat is dry, so I'm gonna go in with another coat. Like I said, this formula is perfect for layering, so I'm not even scared to add another layer. I know it's gonna be clump free and feathered and beautiful, so let's go. Alright guys, so these are the final results from today's lash routine. I absolutely love how my lashes came out. They are so long, have volume, feathering. I was able to layer as much as I wanted to get the results that I wanted, and luckily this is how my lashes come out every time I use the Lancome Lash Idole mascara. Definitely one of my top favorite mascaras. You guys will love this formula, so I will link everything that I used today in the description box down below if you want to check it out. And if you try any of these tips and tricks, make sure to let me know. I would love to see your lash results. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.